Okay, in tab, it's your guitar strings, okay, and instead of mentioning or drawing a picture somehow of frets, we're going to make a number, okay? So this is your tab. This is what tab will look like, okay? Your E string, this string here, that's that bottom one right by my thumb, okay? That's the E string, the big fat E string. When you're looking on tab, it's always the bottom E string, okay? Here's your E string, here's your A string, here's your D, okay? This is how our strings are on our guitar. So this bottom big fat E string, it's closest to you. It's this big one, okay? So when you see a 0, that means it's open. It's just an open string, okay? When you see a 2, on here, that means 2nd fret on this A string. Here's the A string, 2nd fret. And we have another D string on the 2nd fret. So we're going to be putting our fingers on here like that. And the remaining 3 are open, so we don't have to put a finger on there, okay? So when you see something stacked up on each other like this, it's all vertical like that, that's going to tell you it's a chord, okay? And on this one, you're striking it all at the same time. Here you go. There's your chord. Okay? Now, here's the same chord. It's an E minor chord. But this chord here, see how it's not stacked on each other? And you're reading this just like a book. So this very first one, here's an open, and then a 2, and then a 2, and then an open, open, open. Okay? But they're not played at the same time. This is how it goes. Single note, one at a time. That's this piece of tab here. When you see something written like that, that means it's individual notes. The first one, all 6 at the same time. You're just doing a strum. The second one, individual notes. Here's another one. It's a little bit different. Now, if you notice, this one and this one, they're stacked up on each other, but there is no opens in between on this one or that one or this one. There's nothing there. So it's not a strum, it's a pick. So you're taking the first fret over here on the B string, and we're taking the D string over there. Okay, now what we're doing is let's see here we go. We're taking those 2. Okay, it's a pinch. You're pinching that one, and then there's the open, back to a pinch. Okay? So that is this. Here's the pinch, okay? Open, pinch, open. This is what that sounds like. Okay? Those are pinches. This is just a beginning part of tab.